Father, why can't we have a marriage outside the physical church? If there's this couple, there's the priest, why can't we do it in a garden, in a resort?
Okay. First, kasi the sacraments are celebrated always in the church, no? Maliban kung, for example, mass wedding, hindi kaya siya sa kapilya, o kaya ordination, gaya sa maliit yung parish church, no? Pero yung kasal, it has to be in the church in the sense na it has to be registered in the parish. Kasi, andyan tinatawag natin na jurisdiction, no? So, for example, ang sinasuggest namin, kung gusto mo mag-beach wedding, may sikat na political figure before. They wanted to get married sa Boracay. So, ano yung pastoral? So, from canonical, you go to pastoral point of view naman. How will you help them? Gusto talaga nila ng beach marriage, beach wedding. So, ang ginawa namin, okay, you can do your wedding at the beach, but before that, punta muna kayo sa simbahan, let us solemnize your marriage. Maski kayo lang na mag-asawa at yung mga parents ninyo, and let us solemnize the marriage in the church. And then sa pagdating sa beach, doon kayo magmarcha-marcha, mag-costume-costume, but nauna na yung canonical marriage. So, that's always a pastoral, no? Ngayon, ang ginagawa naman simbahan, paminsan-minsan, dahil bawal ang garden wedding, anong ginagawa ngayon ng mga coordinators? Yung simbahan, ginagawang garden, punong-puno ng mga bulaklak, punong-puno ng mga halaman, no? So, pastoral. So, the church always has a solution, no?